All right, third grade. Today we're going to be working on finding unknown numbers in fact families. We have worked with these yesterday. We worked with fact families yesterday, and we kind of worked on finding the unknown numbers, but more of just recognizing a fact family and what a fact family is. But today the main focus is going to be using fact families to find unknown numbers, all right? So your objective is I can find an unknown whole number in a multiplication or division equation relating three whole numbers. Let's get started. When solving for an unknown number, think about the fact family. There are many other strategies for solving multiplication and division equations. Use a strategy that works best for you. You can use place value, using an illustration. Sorry, I didn't mean to cross that one out. You can use an illustration. You can use rectangular arrays. Those are just arrays. Don't let the word rectangular in front of it throw you off. You can use area models, or you can check your work using a different operation. Again, I know I said this a lot yesterday, but to help you understand fact families, it is so important that we are working on reflex math. And today, your daily activity is actually going to be working on reflex math for 30 minutes, okay? Let's go to the next slide. Let me erase this. Okay? Multiplication and division are related to one another. They are inverse or opposite operations. Look closely at the fact family below. Excuse me. 7 times 3 equals 21. 3 times 7 equals 21. 21 divided by 3 equals 7. Or 21 divided by 7 equals 3. So I'm going to go back to this slide really quickly. Using an illustration, that's just drawing yourself a picture. Using an array. If I wanted to use an array to solve for this problem. So let's say that I didn't have this. Okay? I didn't have the number 3. That's what I was solving for. All right, so I wanted to know 7 times something equals 21. Well, I could do 7 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and then I could just go down 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. And when I got to 21, I would stop because 7 times, there's 7 rows and 3 in each row. So that would mean 7 times 3 equals 21. That's using an array to solve for this problem. If you wanted to use an array for division, so let's say the problem was asking you 21 divided by something equals 3. So 21 divided by something equals 3. Well, I could do groups of 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So I have 3 groups. There's one group, there's one group. How many are in each group? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 21 divided by 7 equals 3. So there is a pictorial model that you could use to solve for these problems, okay? So that's what it means when it's talking about using an illustration, using an array, checking work with a different operation. If you know your facts, fact families are going to be so easy, and then you can check your work. But also, you could do repeated addition for a multiplication problem. You could do repeated subtraction for a division problem. Whichever one works for you, all right? So let's go on. Let's create. We're going to practice I'll come back to this in a minute, okay? We're going to practice. I'm going to show you how to do these in a little bit. Let's write an open-ended question. It is an expectation that you write this question, you type it out, you type out your answer. Let's take a quiz. There are 3 questions for your quiz. Again, do not skip quiz. It is an expectation that you complete this. Miss Mays and myself will be looking for it. Let's see how we feel. There's a poll just like you have been doing, and let's work in pairs. And I'm going to leave you a slide for you guys to answer one of these questions for those of you that are remote or at home learning, all right? So that's all we have for this, and I'm going to go back and show you examples of those slides in just a minute. But that is what this lesson looks like.